Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Happy COOKMAS Day 31. Yes, I said it, 31. Thank you guys so much. We made it to the end of COOKMAS. Appreciate all the love and support throughout this whole month while we've been doing the COOKMAS series. For today's recipe, we're going to close it out. We started off with the viral TikTok chicken cobbler, the Red Lobster chicken cobbler. We're going to go ahead and end it with another viral TikTok recipe. We're going to go ahead and do the keto style buffalo chicken pizza. So this is going to be a keto friendly meal. Keto friendly meaning we are not going to be using any crust or bread for our dough for our pizza. So in this case, we're going to be using chicken. So the chicken is going to be our crust, and then we're going to top it off with some toppings. In this case, we're going to use a buffalo style chicken pizza toppings with our buffalo, some red onions, and some cheese. With this pizza, guys, you're definitely not going to miss the crust because the flavor is going to be fantastic. So hopefully you are ready for this last COOKMAS video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so what do you think? This was a quick and easy way to do a delicious keto style pizza. Again, make it any way that you want with the toppings, with the sauce. A world of flavors for this. The chicken is a nice canvas for you to put a lot of different toppings on, guys. go ahead and give it a try. This might actually be one of your new favorite ways to eat pizza. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year. Bye guys.